The village of Ontario in Vernon County is one of the many communities in our area already dealing with that major flooding. And now people who live there are watching that forecast very closely. News 8's Sarah Tamer is here now with more on how they're preparing for the possibility of more rain. Sarah?
Yeah, Mike, managers at the Kickapoo Paddle Inn are calling this both heart-wrenching and devastating. They're now both busy cleaning up and preparing for more heavy rain. The businesses got hit so hard they say it's even worse than 2008, which is the last time they had to shut down due to a flood in that area. The Kickapoo Paddle Inn depends on water to keep its business afloat. But now employees are in a race to keep their livelihood from sinking.
When I walked in this morning, there were freezers tipped over, coolers on the side, food all over. I mean, I can't even tell you how many buckets.
Well, the water was as high as our checkout desk.
Co-manager Christy Schlafer says the water in the restaurant was 4 feet high.
All the inventory we have is complete loss.
With close to 7 inches of rain and more on the way, Kickapoo employees and managers are now doing the best they can to prevent any more damage from happening.
Putting it in the shed, up on the shelves as high as we can, what we can keep, what we can't keep.
Yeah, we have a semi lined up in case we have to move this trailer out of here to higher ground so we don't lose everything in there.
Vernon County Emergency Management Director Chad Burrows says nearly half a dozen businesses in the area were impacted by the heavy rain. He says the damage caused by the storm could be worse than the 2008 flooding the area experienced. But he says they're doing what they can to be prepared.
Assistance from Wisconsin Emergency Management with staffing, other things like National Guard to help with if it's evacuations, traffic, things like that.
Kickapoo Paddle Inn managers say they want to focus less on the damage and more on how everyone in the village is coming together to help pick up the pieces.
We all pull together. We all know each other. When we all just know when it's time to chip in.
Owners of the Kickapoo Paddle Inn say property damage alone could cost them $80,000.
Thanks a lot, Sarah. Vernon County's Emergency Management Director also says many farmers in the area are dealing with crop damage.